So what's the difference between a hedge fund and a single family office? Well, technically the term hedge fund doesn't exist under the law. There are investment companies under the SEC's rules or commodity pool operators under the CFTC's rules. And hedge funds, unlike mutual funds, are available only to sophisticated investors, people that are considered accredited investors or qualified purchases under the SEC's rules or qualified eligible persons under the CFTC's rules. And family offices are able to engage in the same type of sophisticated trading practices and strategies as hedge funds, but they are only available to members of a family. So there are some rules under the CFTC's jurisdiction, which I drafted, and under the SEC's jurisdiction that were drafted by other people that deal with family offices. And there are many provisions of the SEC's and CFTC's rules, especially governing registration of the advisors, that they are completely exempt from because they are not soliciting members of the public. It is only members of a family where it was founded by a high net worth individual. And in the CFTC's and SEC's rules, they carefully define who are those individuals, immediate family members, things like that. And I won't go into that, but on each set of rules, there is somebody who you call a founding member, and it doesn't necessarily have to be the person who made all the money, but you would pick one person, and then within 10 generations of that person, you would look at the definition of family member, or family client actually, and then people who are in that family under that definition can have their assets managed or be advised by the family office. And the people working there would not have to register in advisory capacity for that, but you would have to keep your services confined to family clients. And family clients doesn't necessarily only include family members. It can include family trusts and other entities that are designed to carry out their wealth management and philanthropic purposes. They can still be advised by the family office. They can still be advised by the family office, but members outside the family and entities that are outside the family, our non-family clients, can't be advised by the family office. Otherwise, the family office would lose those exemptions, and they would need to register either as a commodity pool operator or commodity trading advisor under the CFTC's rules and a investment advisor under the SEC's rules. But they are a great wealth planning tool for families. So there's something that's talked a lot about in the ultra high net worth community called the 3 generations curse. So from shirt sleeve to shirt sleeves. So you have a founding member who strikes it rich, and then the sons and daughters inherit it, and then they run the company, and then the third generation runs it into the ground, and then lose everything. And there are families that escape that, most notably the Rockefeller family. And people study what they did, and they had a very effective family office system, and people try to replicate that. So instead of each child inheriting a certain amount of wealth or a piece of a business, and then they all do their own thing. They're all managed under one roof with professional managers, just like you would at a hedge fund, professional legal, tax, business people, so that you have the entire family working together towards the goals of the person that founded the family office. So anyway, my name's Pete. I'm a lawyer with 25 years experience, and I've drafted most of the rules dealing with hedge funds and family offices during my time at a financial regulator. And if you'd like to work with me either on a consulting or legal basis, you can contact me through my website, www.turnkeyfamilyoffice.com. And because I'm a lawyer, I will give you the disclaimer. I'm a lawyer, but I'm not your lawyer. This website is intended for educational and informational purposes only, and nothing I've said creates an attorney-client privilege between you and I or an attorney-client relationship. If you have your own legal or financial issues, you should discuss them with your own counsel or financial professionals. And if there's any videos you'd like to see or any questions about this, just leave them in the comment below. And definitely like and subscribe if you would like to see future videos like this, so you'll be alerted to them, and it will help this channel with the algorithm. Have a great day, everyone.